10 weird psychological facts that will blow your mind. Welcome back to LifeJesting. Are you ready to have your mind blown? Today, we're diving into 10 weird psychological facts that will leave you scratching your head and questioning everything you know. From spooky memory tricks to surprising social cues, these facts are guaranteed to leave you thinking. So let's jump right in. Fact number 1. You can't smile and breathe at the same time. Try it. It's impossible. This odd fact was first discovered by a psychiatrist named John Prostugo in 1962. He noticed that when patients were smiling, they weren't breathing, and vice versa. It seems like our brains can't handle both functions at once. Fact number 2. Your heart rate affects your decision-making. A study published in the Journal of Experimental Psychology found that people were more likely to choose a risky option when their heart rate was high. On the other hand, when their heart rate was low, they were more likely to play it safe. Fact number 3. People are more likely to remember emotionally charged moments than neutral ones. That's why arguments or big surprises stick in your memory. A group of researchers led by psychologist Paul van der Plicht decided to conduct an experiment. They showed participants a series of images, some emotionally charged, others not so much. Later, participants were shown a lineup of similar images and asked to identify which ones they had seen before. They were better at identifying the emotionally charged images, proving that our brains prioritize emotional memories. Fact number 4. When someone copies your body language, your brain instantly feels more connected to them. Even if you don't notice it, subconsciously, you're more likely to trust and feel a sense of closeness with that person. This phenomenon is known as the chameleon effect. An experiment led by New York University psychologist Jack Schafer had participants paired off and asked to match the body language of the person across from them. After filling out a questionnaire, they found that those who reported feeling closer to their partners were the ones who displayed the most synchrony in their body language. Fact number 5. Your brain can trick you into believing false memories. You may be absolutely sure something happened, even when it never did. In 1977, American psychologist Elizabeth Loftus presented participants with a series of childhood events, some real, others fabricated by researchers. Later, they couldn't distinguish between real and fake memories, showing that our brains can create convincing false memories. Fact number 6. Listening to your favorite music can release dopamine, the same chemical that makes you feel happy after eating chocolate. Researchers from the University of Helsinki had participants listen to their favorite songs while undergoing brain scans. They found that the music activated areas of the brain associated with pleasure, releasing dopamine. Fact number 7. People who talk to themselves out loud often solve problems faster. It's like giving your brain an instruction manual. This phenomenon is known as the production effect. In 1986, researchers had participants perform various tasks, such as solving math problems while talking out loud. They found that those who verbalized their thoughts performed better, suggesting that hearing yourself think helps clarify and organize your thoughts, leading to faster problem solving. Fact number 8. The spotlight effect makes you think everyone is noticing your mistakes. In reality, most people don't even realize. Have you ever felt self-conscious about a mistake or flaw? The spotlight effect occurs when you overestimate how much attention others pay to your appearance or behavior. A study by social psychologist Thomas Gilovich and his colleagues demonstrated this effect. Students wore a t-shirt with a berry white slogan. The next day they asked their classmates how many noticed the slogan on their shirt. Most said they hadn't, suggesting that we tend to overestimate the attention others give to us. Fact number 9. Writing down worries before an exam or presentation can reduce stress and improve performance. By getting your worries out of your head and onto paper, you're able to process and analyze them more objectively, reducing their emotional impact. This practice allows you to gain a new perspective, calming your nerves and enhancing your ability to focus on the task at hand. Fact number 10. Smiling, even when you don't feel like it, can trick your brain into feeling happier. This phenomenon is known as the facial feedback hypothesis. A study published in the Journal of Social and Personal Relationships had participants hold a pencil between their lips, which naturally caused them to smile. Another group held the pencil in a way that caused them to frown. They found that those who smiled reported feeling happier. And there you have it, 10 weird psychological facts that will blow your mind. Remember, you can't smile and breathe at the same time. Your heart rate affects your decisions. People are more likely to remember emotionally charged moments. And when someone copies your body language, you subconsciously feel connected to them. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with your friends. We would love to hear your thoughts. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Thanks for watching. Until next time.